Okay, so here's the deal. I just made a video for the Mega Run, and I realized that in the intro of that, I didn't explain what the Mega Run was, so if you're new here, or you're just watching this video because you came across it on YouTube, you have no idea what the Mega Run is. So, let me explain it to you. There is a man named Steve Rempel, and he's the head chief of Torrent Off-Road, and he started an event called the Mega Run. And it started out as a bunch of Jeeps going 4x4ing out in the bush, and now it has turned into a giant winter off-road event that you have everything under the sun. I mean, this year, there was everything. There's a crotch rocket with studded tires on it. There's a VW Beetle diesel with a hater pipe out the back blowing smoke. I don't know why, I really like that thing. It's pretty cool. I'm not a fan of Beetles, but I like that thing because that guy comes out and he rips around in the gravel pits with a Beetle, a diesel one. Super cool. What else did we have? Ostercruiser came out with his Sherp. Thanks for coming out, man. It's always nice to see that thing rolling around. He brought some other toys with him. What else was cool? There was some big green thing that was on tracks and whatnot. You'll see that in the video. It's super cool. There's just everything. Yeah, it's a super cool event. It's growing. It's getting bigger and bigger every year. And it's tons of fun. That's one of the highlights of my year is going to this event. I look forward to it. I drive a lifted Miata when I'm there. There's everything. There was a guy on a little dirt bike, a 50cc dirt bike. He was just cruising around all day long. Wasn't going very fast, but I think he was having a good time. I don't know. He was moving around more than a lot of guys because there was so much snow. Everyone's just getting stuck all the time. So that's kind of what the Mega Run is about. So now I will show you the video. Here you go. Good morning, guys. It is March 9th. It is the day of the Mega Run. It's finally here. We've been waiting a whole year for this to come. I've heard that there's a lot of snow out there, and there's some guys out there with tractors that are making trails and tracks and stuff already for us to rip around on and race. That's going to be awesome. We're going to load up the off-roadster right now, and then we'll see you there. Long line up in front of us, lots of snow, but we got dirt tracks. All right, we're here, Mega Run 2019. We got the car unloaded. We're gonna unload the quad next, and then it's time to rip around. Woohoo! Dude, there's a big thing coming. You want to see a big thing? Look right there. Technically, that's a Toyota. Kind of. The door is from a Toyota. So this year we have an addition to the car. The ceiling is now space. Because it's a convertible, so you know, when the roof's not off, it's still kind of a convertible. Yeah, that makes sense. Now, of course, the Eppic off-roadster is the convertible! So much awesomeness right now! Oh, look at the inside of my roof. It's a sky. Hey, see? It's such a good car. It listens to me all the time. Now, time to play. Okay, we're in the car and we're in a lineup. Somebody's stuck over there, so we're gonna send up the drone and see what's going on over there. Maybe we'll send them some emotional messages to hurry up and hurry up.
You want me to explain it?
Yeah, let him explain it.
Okay, I got this some bitch motorcycle, and I tried putting air in the tire. It didn't hold. There's over 200 holes in it, so, you know, big whoop. So I put some of that there spray foam. Got about 5 cans of the, you know, great stuff spray foam. I shook the shit out of it. You can see a bit of yellow there. That yellow there is spray foam. I filled that some bitch up. And contrary to popular belief, it didn't work too well. Not at all. But I mean, we're still here. We got these tap cones. They're 1.25 inch concrete screws. I mean, there ain't no concrete here, but she's working real nice. Tried to go up the bowl once. First time I went up, and then I went over and down. Second time I went somewhere else, up, over, and down. Third time I took the easy way up, and we made her no problem. This here Skeeter from All Clutched Up.
Hey! Driving along and I happened to notice someone else built this sled. It's got leaf springs on a windshield.
A little bit of slack. Where's your car?
It's in a lineup. that's it for Mega Run 2019, guys. We had a lot of snow, we had a lot of vehicles getting pulled out, but we also had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Whoa. Did I hit you? Whoa, just close enough. That'll be a super cool shot. Super cool, just the best. Super good. It's gonna be super awesome, and we're having a super time here at the Mega Run 2019. And super duper, ooper booper. Goodbye.